What's cracking, guys? Welcome back to another episode. I got some cool stuff to show you, and I'm just gonna kick this off right now. So check this out right here. You may think, excuse the mess over here, we're building a bunch of random stuff, but right here's the first, technically the only set of Ohlins for the new Civic Type-R FK8. And for those of you that don't know, I work for Saki Bomb Garage, so we make a lot of custom Ohlin kits for like the S2000, FDs, Miatas, everything. But we have literally the first set of Ohlins for the FK8 here. This is the set that was technically at SEMA, debuted at SEMA. We do a lot of testing for Ohlins, and we make our own custom kits. So we're like, let's get our hands on these. And you know what? They totally did. They shipped them out to us. We have I Am Racer X's CTR here today. I'll show you guys that. Travis is actually working on it right now, pulling out the stock suspension. We got the magnetic suspension connector dealie, I forget what it's called, to actually disengage the whole system that's actually in the car right now. Since the CTR has 3 different modes, you have to disable that since you're going to be controlling everything. Boom, with this little guy right here, little adjuster guy. So check these guys out, dude. Ohlins, if you guys don't know, this is the top tier you can get. Gonna actually do some stuff with these. Got to take some pictures, get them on the car, do motion ratios, do a bunch of really fun stuff. But thought I would show you guys first. Yep. So got the CTR on the lift. This is what the rear suspension looks like. Obviously, we got the springs. We got this guy back here. So yep, this is gonna be fun. Probably a long day of just a lot of this stuff here. Gotta replace all of this jazz with the stuff I just showed you. But yeah, underneath the CTR is pretty flat. Not gonna lie, you know. You got the downpipe and shit over here. I think this is the HKS exhaust. If you haven't watched, we got a video of putting this thing in. Shout out to Track Driven on Instagram. But yeah, we gotta take pictures. So you guys, this is it. This is the first set. Just getting a good look under the light here. These are pretty heavy. I think these are like stainless steel, so you know, pretty hefty here. But yeah, this is everything you need. We'll probably go into a little bit more depth later on during the installation, hopefully. But for the most part, this looks really nice. Good job, Ohlins. They always do a knockout job. Yeah, guys, these are gonna work out great in the CTR. Alright guys, so many eternities later, we've got the Ohlins in the front all assembled. So that's cool.
Yeah, I heard.
Really fun Type-R. And then
The
rears are out. Getting them kind of tested out and assembled over here. But yeah, pretty soon we'll have everything put together here in the Type-R. Yeah. Alright, so this is the next day. I had to actually leave early, but I do know that everybody was here till probably like 1 in the morning, still finishing the FK8. Like I said, first kit, so a lot of hiccups, trying to figure stuff out, motion ratios. We have a giant calculator, spring dyno, like a bunch of stuff, trying to get some calculations on what's possible, valving, lengths, everything we can possibly get info on, because like I said, that's what we do here. When you make custom suspension for cars, specifically for Ohlins, we want to get, you know, the best bang for buck, for lack of a better phrase, of what's actually possible. But yeah, so CTR's not here, and I saw like Instagram stories from like 1 in the morning, so I know that they were aligning and corner balancing super late at night. It's just how it goes, but I had to go home. Check this out. This FD. Super clean. It's getting the bumper resprayed, actually. Completely different bumper. I think 99 spec. This FD's got like 34,000 miles on it or something like that. That's just cool. But yeah, guys, so that's about it. Like I said, it was just really cool yesterday getting the new FK8 Ohlins, unboxing them, checking them out, all that jazz. And so hopefully, I think this weekend, Dave, the owner of that FK8, is going to Button Willow, I think, for VTEC Club. So he's definitely going to check it out, put it through his paces. His car's actually pretty clean. I Am Racer X on Instagram. You guys can check that out. I'll put his information below. You guys can check out what he's after right now. Another side project. This is Brian. He helps out, works at the shop here. He's doing a 1.6 to 1.8 swap. Full cage, I think, by TC Engineering, here local in the Bay Area. Pretty cool. I don't know what wing this is. I don't remember. It's carbon fiber though. That's cool. I don't know if it actually is a Singularity wing or it's just a sticker, but cool. If you guys like NAs, let me know. This is probably the best looking Miata. Outside of like the ND is actually not that bad. I would definitely take an RF over an ND, but whatever. NA Miatas, pop-up headlights, you can't beat them. FDs, pop-up headlights, you can't beat that, right? Anyways, guys, that's probably it for this vlog. Sorry. Nothing too crazy, but I was really excited about the Ohlins. If you guys are interested in FK8 Ohlins, definitely hit me up on Instagram at Honda Vlogs or Sakibomb at Sakibomb Garage on Instagram. If you're checking this out because of the Ohlins. If not, if you're just checking it out because you want to tune into another episode of my life, I appreciate that, guys. Have a good one. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.